Hey everybody, it's Brian. This is the Apple Bias, and today we have this. Yeah, so I'm a little late to the game. I know it wasn't the easiest to get a hold of one of these, even though the stock is like crazy. They have them everywhere, right? And I mean, super affordable. I mean, I don't know how Apple did it this year. How in the world could they offer this beautiful pair of headphones for only $550? Yeah, I'm like, only $550 for this? Look at that. It goes over your head. It's not this little tiny device that goes in your ear. It takes your whole head up. I'm like, for only $550, you have to pay like $250 for little tiny things. So yeah, let's open it up. Man, they're good. I don't think that's supposed to happen. They're still okay. Here we go. Okay. Trash. All right. Ooh. Oh, there's paper on it. See, now I haven't really watched any unboxing videos on this, so I was like, why is that gray? How does that work? Okay. That's weird. It's got some extra padding there. Oh, it comes with a lightning cable. No charger, of course, because it's 2020 and Apple doesn't give you chargers anymore, even when you spend a ton of money. More paper. Okay, so, I mean, that's weird. They got the right and the left in there, and these do come off. They're like magnetized. So that's interesting. These are freeform, but oh man, there's a lot of tension right there. And then all this is mesh. These are kind of mesh. You got the crown. Don't know where I've seen that before. Apple Watch. It's like, yeah. But yeah, I'm like, looks good. Case is super weird. But yeah, let's try them out. Are they overpriced? Of course they are. It's Apple. But are they worth it? Are they worth paying the overpricedness for? That is all up to you guys. Like I said, I haven't even put these things on. I do not wear over-the-ear headphones. Once I got my AirPods, the regular ones, not the Pro. I don't like the Pro. I've not had to ever use over the head. So this is the first time in years. Ooh. Okay, they've connected. I have them connected to my iPad mini right here because I didn't want to mess with anything. They're comfortable. I mean, I can definitely feel it. Like, I know people were saying maybe it's just not sized. People thought, oh, it feels so weird. Maybe that's because they're used to this kind of thing. But like I said, I do not wear headphones. So let's get some music going and see how this thing works. Music. I wear glasses. They kind of push it a little bit. I know I heard other people say, oh, it fits great. Maybe not. It's not awful. Let's play this. This is a good song. Okay. We're good. Alright. I'm not in pass. Like, I can hear myself talk. I don't know what mode I'm in. Okay, so this is... I can hear myself really well now. So this is like the pass-through mode. It sounds really good. Like, it does. It sounds really good. So transparency, not pass-through. Whatever. Same thing, right? I mean, I can't hear myself that well. I might be talking way too loud right now, though. Alright, noise canceling. Let's go into noise canceling. Okay, I think I can still hear myself talk. At least the inside of my voice. But it sounds good. They are comfortable. They are very comfortable. This song's really good. I'll put a link down below for the song. Because I can't play it on here because copyright stuff. Okay, let's try the crown. Ooh. It gets loud. Okay, all the way down. I can hear myself talk. I'm still in noise cancellation. Let's take off my glasses, see if that makes any difference. Yeah, no, turn it down, turn it down. I think it sounds about the same. I can still hear myself talk even on noise cancellation. Because people were like, I only watched 2 videos on this thing. I watched Nikias's Day in the Life, and then I watched iJustine. But they sound good. I'm like, that's really good. Let me put it back on transparency so I can hear myself talk. Oh, that's good. That is the cool technology. Automatic head detection, so if I go like this, it pauses it. That's cool. Put it back on. Plays it. Okay, I can get used to this. Okay, how do I pause? That pause? That doesn't pause. Okay, hit the crown to pause. Whew, my ears are already sweating though. I will say that. Like, okay. Here's my initial thoughts. I'm going to try to make this short. They are very cool. I like the look of them. I know other people don't. This, I don't know. But they look cool. I like they look cool. I don't know if using the digital crown and like the side button style is lazy design or if it's smart design because you want to be like, you know, the same across your board. Like, it works. It's kind of cool. I don't know if like a touch sensitive thing would have been cooler though. I feel like it would have, and it would have justified the price a little more. But overall, they're cool. But they're hot too, because like my ears, like maybe I just have sweaty ears. I don't know. I like them. Are they $550 cool? No, not at all. Especially if you're like me. Like I don't listen to music. Could these make me listen to music more? Maybe, but probably not. My take on these, and this is the Apple bias take. Remember that. Like I'm a fanboy. There's no. If you really want these, oh, that's the other thing. These things are like massively. I mean, check your Apple store if you really want them and you're insane and you want to pay the amount for them. Check your local Apple store. Just keep checking it. That's how I got these. But these things are like March, especially in like the other colors. They're not gonna be here. What was Apple thinking? Did they not make any of these? Why release them if you can't have stock until March after like an hour? They're not that high in demand. Come on, let's be honest. Like, I think they made like maybe 100 of these maybe to like on launch day. Apple. Craziness. You're okay waiting until like March, April, sometime in the summer when your ears can really sweat with these things. Wait. Buy a used pair. Maybe you can find some really cheap and then just replace these, which I think these are even $60 each. But let's say you wait. These things are going to drop in price like no other for a used pair. Let's be honest. Buy it that way. Save a few $100, maybe at least a couple. But yeah, but that's my take. And I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, feel free to hit that thumbs up. If you didn't, I can take it. It's all good. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.